VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino ari the 18th president wayachicelebrata the cricket team panguva ino ipoka receive the trophy. Sara pina mashoko tournament panguva ino yatukona kunzi they are awaiting aiwa ichateka place from January 15 to February 6. I want to do subscribe or like out on the bell. Like when there are these pictures, I want to achisepulate achiposte what you not Iowa. Generally, Iowa wefara ne the cricket team. Pangwa ino yemubda kinyugwa General Miru Mchinzi. Acting President, General Retired Dr. CGDN Chiwenga, yesterday officially received the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup trophy ahead of the tournament, scheduled to take place from January 50 to February 6. This highly anticipated tournament will see Zimbabwe co-hosting alongside Namibia. During yesterday's ceremony, team captains from participating nations, including Zimbabwe's Zimbarashe Mazengerere, along with their counterparts from New Zealand, led by Captain Tom Jones and England skipper Farhan Ahmed, joined ICC and Zimbabwe cricket officials, presented the trophy to the acting president. No mashikarubuda panguva ino nemapicha samuri kuona kuti aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa vanouya panguva ino vachicelebrata aiwa is they are waiting for their tournament. Mashoko anobuda panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi aiwa people they are wishing them well, and as the vice president panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi at the 18th president, he took the opportunity aiwa to celebrate aiwa this ICC Under-19 cricket team. Mbudza mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.